Yo. Fuck. Bro. The proud owner of a 1999 Mitsubishi Eclipse. Absolute piece of shit, but it's my piece of shit.
Sure fucking is, buddy.
Right? Oh, I love it.
Sure I don't want to keep this?
Honestly, it does look kind of sick, doesn't it? I know, it's super ricey, but it is sick. Yeah, that's why. There's so many things about it that need to be just fixed. That trunk is terrible.
It's no, it's fried. Yes.
Good. Good. And she just very slightly used. Only slightly used. All right, let's try and get it home. Oh my God, hello and welcome to the Eclipse. 99, first start as my car. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. All right, now, time to drive this thing back. If you see anything spewing out, tell me. If you see anything leaking, falling off, if you see me crying too much, let me know. Let's do it. Oh my God, this thing is hilarious. Oh, this thing is funny. Oh, this is gonna be a dream to work on. Wow. Windows work. The brakes are a little questionable. Oh my God, everything is braking. So there's a few things with this car. A little quirky. A lot of stuff is not up to factory standard, I'll say that. The brakes, for one, are a little shit. Oh my God, this thing is so hilarious. All right, we go 52 minutes, 47 miles. See how she does. It will die if it's stationary, so I have to feather the gas. Otherwise, yeah, I think the idle needs adjusting. And yeah, that's good. This thing's cool. Like, I pulled up and I saw it and I immediately was like, wow, this thing is so cool. But there's just so much wrong with it. But I mean, it's a project. That's what they're for. It's a project car. It's for being fixed up. And this thing definitely falls within that. He said he replaced the fuel pump recently and the fuel gauge stopped working. So currently it reads E. But he says it's full. We will probably stop at some point to double check that. I've got Riley behind me who is monitoring everything, making sure nothing is leaking. It is holding temperature, so that's good. That's good, it's holding temperature about halfway, staying operating temp. Idle does suck. Sunroof doesn't work, windows do work, AC definitely does not work. Exhaust is super duper loud. It smells terrible in here. Well, we've hit a bit of a problem. She's boiling. We're cooking stew. It was going so well. Should have really known. Should have really known. yeah, I'm gonna let that cool down a little bit and then check all the fluids, which I probably should have done before we left. So we're overheating. Yeah, I think it was just this hose right here that just popped off, and then this was all just spewing. So I'm going to take some of these, try and climb it back on and see if it fixes it. Oh yeah, very convenient place to break down at. Right at AutoZone. Nice. Oh, it smells terrible. Mmm. Yummy.
Delicious.
Delicious indeed. Don't get into cars, kids. Don't do it. Just buy a Toyota Camry.
Yeah, this dude just spent $1,600.
15, thank you. I haggled him down. Haggled him down to 16.
I heard.
15.
I'm proud of you.
Thank you.
But for it to break down 7 minutes later. I've never seen someone more optimistic. I'd be freaking the fuck out.
Yeah. I can confirm it has oil. It does indeed have oil. Okay, I'm going to... Oh, I need to adjust the idle too. The idle, it dies. Whenever I come to a stop, it just dies. It just dies completely. So it's a manual, it's a mechanical throttle. So I should be able to adjust it and then fix that, maybe? Let's see. Get this on camera.
Were you gonna do that anyway?
I mean, it's fucked anyway. It's totally fucked. So, I don't know what I'm doing. Bro. Driving that is, yeah, it's a pleasure. It's a pleasure indeed. See what I mean? I have to stay on the gas, otherwise it's gonna die. Like if I let off, oh.
It died immediately. Oh wow.
It's a little rough. Let's go home. Okay, so it is overheated 2 more times. I've topped it up with coolant, dumped an entire bottle into it. So hopefully we are still 24 minutes away, 25 miles away. Hopefully it'll make it home without overheating again. We're nearly there. We're nearly there. Also, as you can see, I've changed my attire, and yeah, it's pretty gross in here. But hopefully we can make it home. Temps are starting to climb again. So let's see. All right, we have overheated a 3rd time, and now I've pretty much fully dumped almost 2 bottles of coolant into this thing. Hopefully that solves our issue. But we are still 20 minutes away. I don't know, we'll see. We will see. It's holding temp now. It holds temp at idle when it idles. Fine. Seems to be doing so right now, but we will see. I don't know, it might be a thermostat problem. Temperatures are climbing again, so I am pulling off. Okay. 4th overheat, 14 minutes from home. All right, we made it back. It is later. I have showered. I have washed off all of the rat poop and whatever else was on my body from driving in this car for a couple of hours. But it is back, and she made it. She overheated about 7 times. I think it's a pull off on the side of the road. I think 6 or 7 times. I definitely have my work cut out with this car a little bit. But that's the point. It's going to be a project. And honestly, as frustrating as that was, every time I look at it, I'm like, wow, this thing is so cool. Like, it's so fucking cool. And it's beat to shit. Like, it's an absolute piece of shit. But it's so sick. It's just so sick. The wheels, They're period correct. I'll give them that. They're period correct. They are a very early 2000 wheel. The rear bumper and the side skirts, again, very period correct. Yeah, I have my work cut out. Wow. But, I mean, just look at the thing. But yeah, anyway, that's my night. Well and truly done. It is home. Now the owner of 2 Eclipses. One in a little rougher shape than I'd like, but yeah. Let's get to work.